So here we are at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and I'm excited to tell you about this new trade that we just took in. This time of year, we're getting them in at good prices and giving them to you at excellent discounts. So here we have a 2021 Crownline 270 XS. This is just a great boat for this area. It's got plenty of entertaining features, great seating, a nice big head. Up here, you'll see it's a great place for entertaining. It does have a table here that you can put up or take down, whatever you'd like for that use case for the day. You have plenty of storage under all of these seats, here, also in the bow area right there. As we move into the cockpit here, you'll notice that this has two Garmin screens, so you can appropriate that any way you'd like with your maps, your fish finder, your engine diagnostics. It does have full lighting packages here as well on this boat. Two captain's chairs. You do have bolster seating in both, so you can sit higher or lower, whichever's more comfortable for you. We have a really nice head here. This does have a freshwater package, so you have a nice sink in here as well. So if you're getting ready to go out for the night, you're up at the dock and you want to go out to dinner, you're able to get ready in here. As we move towards the aft, you have a very nice lounging area right here. Full L formation couch, backrest here. There's actually can go forward and backwards, electronically actuated, so you can sit facing forward or you can sit facing aft if you have somebody skiing or you're pulling the kiddos on tubes. Very nice feature. You also have another companion seat here as well. Very nice conversating area with a table hookup that can go back here as well. Back in the transom, we have a very nice deck in the back, very easy on and off with a nice stainless steel ladder. And the creme de la creme on this boat is the 350 Mercury. This boat has plenty of power with that 350. If you're loaded out on the boat or you need to outrun a storm, this is perfect for that. There's lighting all throughout. It's just a beautiful, nice boat for entertaining. If you'd like to check this boat out, come see me at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. Hope to see you soon.